Adaline from Bonney Lake, Ben Franklin, and I'm going to be demonstrating the May Gnome of the Month. This time I'll be demonstrating our baby boy gnome. The first step is to secure the corners of our bag with hot glue into the center so that it can stand up. Next, we're going to roll our hat into a cone and secure the edges with a little bit of hot glue. Then we're going to add glue and close the seam of the hat. Then we're going to roll the edges of the hat just a little bit so that we can create a little brim. To attach the beard, I'm going to go opposite of the seam of the hat, put a little bit of glue on the inside of the brim, and stick our beard fur facing down. To attach the nose, peel away some of the fur right below the hat, stick a dot of glue, and attach your little wooden nose. Now add the baby embellishment in your kit anywhere you would like on your hat. And you have your baby boy for May Gnome of the Month. Happy Mother's Day and happy crafting!